Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting Excel file to a semicolon delimited CSV file. On my computer you can see I have Excel file open. I don't have Excel installed on this PC, so it has a free version of Excel which is Excel Mobile, I believe. And basically it's showing what is inside Excel file. You can see first row is a column names, state, region, subregion, and the rest is data for all 50 states in here, for 39 states. And I will be converting this file into semicolon delimited file with application I will install from this website. I will leave a link on the site in the description. To find app, I click on search and type Excel to, and I need this Excel to semicolon, and click on download. I will be recording more videos on converters and applications for converting Excel files to different formats. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like to see more application like this, please like this video. So mostly by default, Excel converts to comma-separated CSV delimited file, but sometimes we need the semicolon-separated file, and this application solves this problem. So you can see archive has been loaded on my computer. I will click on the loaded archive, double-click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next, next, install. Click on yes and click on finish on final screen, and you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and I can close window. The most important thing, because Excel is locking file exclusively, so it cannot be opened into any other application. So if you have a file you need to convert from Excel to semicolon separated, if you have still it open in Excel, you will need to close it, because otherwise you will get errors that this file is being used and cannot be converted. So to launch application, I'll double click on shortcut, and then conversion is 3 steps process. In first step, I have to select file I'd like to convert. So I click on this button to select and navigate to my file. And I will be converting states XLS file, this one, click on open. And I can convert multiple file. In this case, it will ask for folder and place all semicolon separated files into their folder. So if I convert in just one and it has one worksheet in it, it will just ask for one file. So click on next step. Here, if first row of the output field has column names, normally it does, so I will just keep it checked, click on next, and final step I click run to create file. And now it's asking me for CSV file, but this will be semicolon separated CSV, not regular comma separated CSV. And I just click save, and you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. I can open it into CSV viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside the file. It automatically detects a separator. So if normally separator is comma, it will detect comma, but if it analyzes file and figure out which separator being used, so it doesn't matter. But let me show you into Notepad. If you have very large file, you cannot open it in Notepad. Sometimes, like if it's like 10 megabyte file, Notepad will have a problem opening it. So, but this file, it's very small, and I can open and show you. And you can see it has a separated semicolon between every field. And this is how you convert Excel file to semicolon separated CSV. And yeah, basically that's it. We converted our file. If you have any questions, please leave them in comment below. And as I mentioned, the most important thing is to close Excel file before starting conversion. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.